Come test drive the 2025 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, remote start, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.